Timeless elegance meets modern innovation in this 1953 Cadillac Series 62 convertible. The custom fabricated removable hardtop showcases meticulous craftsmanship, complemented by Bordeaux red metallic and pearl white paint. Under the hood, a Cadillac 500 cubic inch V8 that has been bored and stroked to 540 cubic inches that delivers 500 horsepower and 611 torque, fed by a 4-barrel carb on an Edelbrock intake. Every detail is masterfully restored, from the wood veneer dash inlays to the Kenwood touchscreen stereo. RideTech adjustable air ride suspension and 15-inch chrome Kelsey Hayes wire wheels bring both comfort and style. A true blend of classic allure and contemporary engineering. This Cadillac is a testament to automotive artistry.